Hey guys, what's happening?
Hello.
What's up?
What's up, man?
क्या चल रहा है?
Hello. All good. Wow, XUV 700 new color.
Yeah, this is the new deep forest green color. Today I got the X7 variant, fully loaded with all the tech and features. Pricing की एक खास बात है वो मैं बाद में बताऊंगा, but ये बताओ क्या करना है, किधर जा रहे हैं हम लोग?
आप बताओ ना कहाँ जाना है?
Let's go to the ceiling, coastal road, अटल सेतु, कुछ
Yeah.
अच्छा खाते भी है रास्ते में. बताओ.
हाँ, like
I've
plan,
never
no?
driven a Mahindra car, man. I need to drive the 700.
I'll let you drive it आराम से, don't worry.
But इसे हमेशा हर गाड़ी चलानी होती है. चिल कर यार.
अरे
थोड़ा.
चलो चलो बैठो, अभी बहुत लेट हो रहा
चल
है.
चल चल.
Done. चलो चलो.
Let's go.
But we're leaving in peak hours, huh? बहुत ट्रैफिक लगेगा.
यार ट्रैफिक तो होने वाला है. तुम लोग ने बहुत लेट किया सुबह सुबह यार. I was
हमने
on
late.
time.
We were on time, कुछ भी.
ठीक है I was 15 minutes late, but ठीक है यार मुंबई में रह के traffic is going to be there always, but I'm not too worried because automatic is smooth, the driving position is comfortable, तो वैसे कोई stress है नहीं मुझे, and I've put the maps on, the screen is nice, you know, very good user interface. तो चलो guys, tell me where are we going, क्या खाने का मन है तुम लोग को?
क्या खाना है? कुछ तो खाते हैं बट.
डोसा खाए?
हाँ डोसा will work actually.
इसको हमेशा चीज डोसा ही खाना होता है, इसको हमेशा सब गाड़ी चलानी होती
ये
है.
हमेशा ऐसे
No, no,
ही
वीरा
है
वीरा
यार.
बड़ा पाव
बचपन से बताना.
अरे
पर इसको याद
यार.
है टॉयज भी आते थे. इसको पहले चलानी होती थी.
I'm
ठीक है.
opportunistic. Hey, I told you there's a lot of traffic, man.
अब क्या कर सकते हैं? You guys want to play around with the Alexa tech this car has, voice commands है, खेलो उसके साथ, just kill your time.
Hey Alexa, what's the weather like for the week?
Mumbai has pleasant weather. A little cloudy but perfect for a long drive.
So what do you think of the car?
Amazing यार, the rear seat is so comfortable.
Yeah?
Yeah man. अब असली मजा तो चलाने में है.
चलाओ drive it, have fun.
चल. Thank you. मैं तो सबसे लास्ट में चलाऊंगी guys. Right now I just want to enjoy the view outside. What a lovely day.
You know what? There's a better way to enjoy this view. Hey Alexa, open the sunroof.
Open the sunroof.
Wow, that's great part. This feels amazing to drive. It's effortless and powerful.
You know the M Stallion petrol engine is the most powerful one in its segment.
बहुत smooth engine है.
और इसका जो diesel variant है ना, it gets 3 drive modes. Those are zip, zap and zoom. And इससे तुम्हारा driving experience इतना improve होता है ना.
So you know what? When Mahindra was making this car, they decided कि गाड़ी में let's put every feature, every piece of technology, every horsepower possible to make it the best in the segment. So 2 years back, we took 2 of these cars on the Golden Quadrilateral. One was petrol, one was diesel, and जो मजा आया, we got to test the car's capabilities fully.
Wow यार, बड़े मजे होंगे. Yeah, but guys, ये सब तो ठीक है. अभी भूख लगी है. कब खाएंगे? कहाँ खाएंगे? Yes, I know this vada pav place. I'm taking you there only. ये लो यहाँ के famous vada pav. चलो
Thank you so much. This looks delicious.
लो.
Nice. Hmm.
Parth, the car is going to get really hot after being in the sun for so long.
नहीं कुछ नहीं होगा.
But you see कितनी गर्मी है.
I have the Adrenox app on my phone. मैं remotely गाड़ी का AC on कर दूंगा. ये गाड़ी में ये feature है, so that when we go over there, the cabin will be really cool.
Parth, can you pass me your phone? I want to check the app out.
Yeah, there you go.
Thank
Just
you
check
so
it out.
much, man.
So you can control a lot of functions over there through the app. You can remotely switch on the car, you can switch on the lights, you can honk, you can open the sunroof, you can switch on the AC, you can check the status of the fuel, the kilometers, the service reminder, everything. The location of the car can also be tracked through the phone. So if you give it to someone, you can track it remotely.
That's so cool.
Oh yeah.
Ishan, time for you to enjoy the 700. Excited?
Very excited. I'm gonna drive it and tell my dad how it is.
And we are on the Atal Setu. How many of you have been here? तुम लोग आए हो पहले कि नहीं इसके ऊपर?
मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम है and
मेरा भी।
wow,
I've been with dad, but I've never driven on it. And driving the XUV is so amazing on this road. It's such an open road, we don't get those a lot. And I was quite intimidated at the start, thinking it's a big car, it'll be difficult to drive. But no, it's very nice to drive.
And this is one of the few roads in Mumbai where you can truly enjoy your car.
I know, right? Exactly.
What do you think about the engine, the performance,
Engine
200
is
horsepower?
great. It's so smooth and it's punchy at the same time. I love it.
And the driving position कैसी लगी?
Driving position बहुत अच्छी है. I was able to adjust it very comfortably. I really like it, man.
हे पार्थ, सुन ना, ये ADAS फीचर्स इंडिया में काम आते भी हैं?
ADAS, that's a tricky question. So basically, autonomous emergency braking, I'm not a big fan of that feature because what happens is that if there's an obstacle in front of the car, then the car will brake automatically on its own. And if someone is tailgating you, जो इंडिया में बहुत लोग करते हैं, तो फिर एक्सीडेंट होने का चांस होता है उसमें. But the other features, lane keep assist, lane departure warning, high beam assist, adaptive cruise control, all these are very useful features, and you know they make the whole driving experience a little more safer.
Guys, I'm so excited. Finally, it's my turn to drive. Let's go.
यार सुबह से घूम रहे, सोनी का ऑडियो सिस्टम में कुछ तो गाना बजा।
Okay, sister, 1 second. Let's go. Wow, such a lovely and serene and very peaceful kind of a place. Thanks, Parth, for getting us here.
I also like such peaceful places, you know, once in a while away from the hustle bustle of the city. एकदम quiet, एकदम अच्छा view है, drive भी अच्छी खासी हो गई. We had some good food also.
It was my first time driving a Mahindra SUV and I am in love. Atal Setu pe, it was so smooth. Oh my god, I'm telling you. I'm definitely going to recommend this to my dad. We're looking out for a new SUV and this looks like the perfect match for us.
And the car was effortless on these bad roads also. Now the variant which we have is the front wheel drive, but you also get optional all-wheel drive with the diesel. But front wheel drive के हिसाब से भी गाड़ी एकदम मस्त perform कर गई. So I am impressed. Of course, I've driven this car 1,000 times, so I know that. But what do you ladies think of this car?
हमें तो बहुत मस्त लगी and it's so comfortable with such amazing features. लेकिन आप मुझे pricing बताने वाले थे, उसका क्या?
Pricing, they have reduced the price of this car by 1.5 to 2.2 lakh rupees, which is valid till 31st October. तो अगर तुम में से किसी को लेनी है अभी के लिए ले लो.
पप्पा.
मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया। It was a wonderful day. Thanks Parth and मेरे को अभी सीनिक व्यू भी एंजॉय करना।
Let's
चलो
relax
ना
and chill यार, क्योंकि वैसे
चलो,
बहुत
of course
ट्रैफिक होने
यार
वाला
आए
है.
हैं तो मजे करेंगे ही. Obviously.